Welcome, and thanks for tuning in. In this video, we will be showcasing how to properly set up a process for a new form. Let's jump right in. On this screen, you will see the process page within our form designer. To get to this page, you will need to edit or create a new form. In the middle of the page, you will see a container that will house one or multiple sections. Each section is an individual stage that can be selected. When a stage is selected, a new window will appear and allow you to edit actions and settings for the selected stage. At this point, it's a good idea to talk about what stages are and the significance they have on a working process and forms. Think of a stage as a collection of settings and actions that will take place at a particular time. The stage is then linked to a specific area of the form. It is also linked to an individual user or group via a task. Essentially, when the stage commences, the user assigned to the stage will need to complete the section of the form that the stage is linked to. When completed, the stage will move forward to the next defined stage, and so on. Okay, let's take a closer look at the interface of the process page. Let's click the requester stage to reveal these settings. As you can see, there are a number of settings you can adjust when a stage is expanded. Let's begin with the stage name, which is just a simple label for the stage. The stage type can be one of two choices: submit or completed. A submit stage means the stage will commence forward to another stage, whereas a completed stage means there will be no following stages. The submit button label is the text that will appear inside the button at the bottom of the form. This button moves the form to the next part of the process. The decline and reject button options, as the name suggests, will show two additional buttons visible next to the submit button at the bottom of the page. These options are useful if the stage is requiring the approval of a senior member of staff or management. Having the Show Stage Progress option enabled will show a progress bar at the top of the form. As a form progresses, details of the progression will be visible within this progress bar. The Link to Section drop-down is an important setting that will link this stage to a specific section of the form. Your form should be made up of many sections, with some sections being focused for different users, like a section that is designed for the employee and then a section that is designed for the manager to approve. Each of those sections are linked to stages via this drop-down. The section settings will allow you to determine what sections of the form will be visible and editable for this stage, and subsequently the user this stage is assigned to. Show means the section will be visible. Expand means the section will be expanded and all controls within it will be visible. And enable means the section can be edited by the user assigned to this stage. Initiate new form settings will allow you to create a new form at the start or completion of this stage. Task settings is an important option and will allow you to define who will be the assignee of this stage via a task. Think of a task like a request to a user to interact with a specific section of a form. When someone is assigned a task, a card will appear on their dashboard and in the My Tasks page of the application. Email settings is also an important option and will allow you to create automated email messages when the stage starts or when the stage ends. These automated email messages can be used as a notification to users that they have indeed had a task assigned to them, or to other departments or members to notify them of the form's progress. The choice is up to you. Next stage settings will determine where this stage will go next. You can define one or multiple stages. If multiple stages are used, this process will become a parallel stage and both stage assignees will need to complete their tasks before the entire form process can continue. We hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching.